What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Al here, and in today's video we're going to be learning about what fuel your Toyota Yaris Hybrid uses. Just to jump straight to the chase, a Toyota Yaris Hybrid uses unleaded petrol. There's no need for premium fuels or any special blends. Regular 95 octane unleaded petrol will do just fine, and it's what Toyota Yaris recommends for their best performance. While the car does have an electric motor, the petrol engine is essential for longer journeys and when the battery runs low. The electric motor handles shorter distances and lower speeds, but you'll still need petrol in the tank for those longer drives or higher speeds. How does the hybrid system actually work with petrol though? Well, the way it works is that it is designed to switch smoothly between both the electric motor and the petrol engine. At lower speeds or during light acceleration, the Yaris Hybrid can run purely on electric power, meaning you won't use any petrol. This is ideal for stop-start city driving, reducing your fuel consumption and cutting emissions. And when you accelerate harder, reach higher speeds, or the battery charge is low, the petrol engine will start up. It works in tandem with the electric motor to give you the extra power needed, particularly for motorway driving or overtaking. One clever feature of hybrids like the Yaris is regenerative braking. When you brake, the car recaptures some of the energy and uses it to recharge the battery. This means more time running on electric power and less reliance on petrol. Let's now look at electric mode versus petrol mode. The Toyota Yaris Hybrid is designed to offer the best of both worlds. In electric mode, you can enjoy the benefits of a silent, emission-free drive. On shorter trips, you might not even use any petrol at all. When you hit the motorway, the petrol engine takes over, ensuring you have the power you need for longer distances. The hybrid system cleverly alternates between these two modes, helping you save on fuel while maintaining performance. One of the main reasons people choose a Toyota Yaris Hybrid is because of its fuel efficiency. Thanks to the hybrid system, the car uses less fuel than traditional petrol-powered vehicles, especially in urban environments where electric power takes over. This efficiency translates into fewer trips to the petrol station, which not only saves you money, but also helps reduce your environmental footprint. Fewer emissions mean a smaller carbon footprint, making the Yaris Hybrid an eco-friendlier choice for everyday driving. How much fuel does a Toyota Yaris Hybrid actually use? The Hybrid is extremely fuel efficient, and its fuel tank capacity is around 36 litres. And with its hybrid technology, you can expect to get anywhere from 60 to 70 miles per gallon, depending on your driving style and the conditions. This means on a full tank of petrol, you could potentially drive over 500 miles, with the electric motor assisting to reduce fuel consumption further. The electric motor helps you get more out of each litre of petrol, so your fuel costs are much lower compared to traditional petrol cars. Can the Toyota Yaris Hybrid run without petrol? Now, a common question among new hybrid owners is whether the Toyota Yaris Hybrid can run entirely on electric power. The answer is yes, but only for short distances and at low speeds. In ideal conditions, the Yaris Hybrid can run on electric power alone for a few miles. However, the petrol engine is always there as a backup and is necessary for longer journeys, higher speeds, and when the battery needs charging. It's important to remember that while the electric motor can handle some of your driving, you'll still need petrol in the tank to keep the car functioning properly. The ability to drive in electric mode during city commutes and the efficiency of the hybrid system, you'll use less petrol overall. To give you an idea, filling up a 36 litre tank of petrol will typically cost around £50, depending on current fuel prices. To get the best performance out of your Toyota Yaris Hybrid, it's essential to follow Toyota's fuel recommendations. Stick to regular 95 octane unleaded petrol. To maximize your fuel efficiency, drive smoothly, because aggressive acceleration and braking can increase fuel consumption. Utilize electric mode by taking advantage of electric power in city driving to save on petrol. And keep the car maintained, because regular servicing, proper tire pressure, and clean filters can help your car run more efficiently. The Toyota Yaris Hybrid is a fantastic option for drivers looking to reduce their fuel consumption and lower their environmental impact. By using unleaded petrol alongside an electric motor, the Yaris Hybrid offers a smart, efficient driving experience. With its ability to switch between petrol and electric power seamlessly, you'll enjoy fewer trips to the petrol station and lower running costs, all while doing your part for the environment. So if you're looking for a car that's economical, eco-friendly, and practical for everyday use, the Toyota Yaris Hybrid is a brilliant choice. If you're curious about hybrid cars or buying a new one, then go check out carnights.co.uk, because we sell a lot of hybrid Yarises and a lot of other vehicles. We're based in Rainham in the UK, and we're also based in Birmingham, which is also in the UK. We would love to help you. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, like, share because you care, and we'll see you guys in the next video.